Hey guys, it's Cindy. I thought I would check in with you and let you know what's going on. So today is my open house. Outside my window, they're having the Chris Kendall Market, which is really a lot of fun. It has, it's based around Krampus. This is scary Krampus. If you guys aren't familiar with that, you have to check that out. But it's also modeled after the kinds of Christmas markets that they have in Germany. So it's really a lot of fun. So that's outside my window. I had my friends and family sale last night, and I had a bunch of friends come, and that was really a lot of fun. I've had several people in here today, so it's exciting. Well, let me take you around, show you what it looks like. So this is the studio as I have it set up now. I have artwork from several other artists here right now. I have these Scrabble tiles. These are pretty awesome. If you guys see anything that you like, you can always email me. But the email is mimistreasurecottage@gmail.com. So I have local artist Mary. She has these lovely Scrabble tiles in here. So I had some customers. I'm back. So I have some things here in the studio, new things that I've set out. And twice a year I do a sale here. This is one of them. So my vintage items are 20% off in person today. And then I also will do it for Hudson Sidewalk sale as well. I thought I'd show you the shelves. I know it's not exactly art, but I know there's a lot of you that come over from my other channel as well, so I hope you enjoy these. And this is beautiful artwork from a local artist. She actually used to design for the magazine I published. So I was really happy to have artwork from her here in the studio. This is all my stuff. The little uranium glass display there. Of course, I need to change the date on there. I just haven't gotten around to it. This is that local artist again. And then this is another local artist. She's actually in my art group, and I hear some customers coming up. Okay, so that was good. Had a few people up here. So this is artwork by a local artist named Care Hansen. It's just beautiful. I love her stuff. I have the privilege of being able to create art with Care. She's part of my local art group. And these are a couple other pieces that she has done. And then there's some more artwork by Lou, the local artist I was showing you before from the magazine. All right, so it's nice to be interrupted with lots and lots of customers. I'm digging that. All right, anyway, back to this. This is from artist Lou McCulloch. And Lou is the one that designed for my magazine, Altered Arts Magazine, and I just love her style. So I have her artwork here. I have some of these vintage angels made by Mary, Ancestral Beginnings. And then that's kind of that. I don't know, I don't think I showed you my tree. And my aluminum Christmas tree. So excited to have that. So yeah, I've been really very busy lately and have not had a chance to get a post up. I think that I missed last week, so forgive me for that. I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday season, and you should expect one from me next week. I think after my open house now, things are gonna calm down just a little bit, and I should be able to get something out for you next week. So I will see you guys in the next video. Please click the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye-bye for now. So that's the Chris Kendall Market across the way. It's a little bit windy today. Not quite as rainy as I think we expected, but the wind is kind of high. So I think people are ducking in here to get out of the wind. I don't mind.